Hello viewers, and I'm back to do an update on the golden zucchini, and boy has it grown. It has really developed, and it has some buds that are starting to appear, and I even see a baby zucchini. I might be able to show you. Let's see. You can see it. Let's see. It is right. Let's see where my little finger is. There it is. And I'm so excited. I said I was going to come back and do an update at least every week to show that I believe that the Kratky method of growing zucchini is doable in this gallon milk jug. I will be back again in another 7 days to show you the progress. Until then, thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet, hit the thumbs up and click the bell to be notified when I post videos. Thank you so much, and blessings to you all.